Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you 15 GPT sites to make money online. So if you are someone who is trying to make money online, this video is for you. So before that, my name is Emmanuel and I'm a network marketer. What I basically do in this channel is that I make videos on how to make money online. What I do is I try and sell online. If I find out something working for me or something working, I show you guys. So by encouraging me, all you need to do for me is just to subscribe to my channel and turn on notification. So as I said earlier, I'm going to be showing you 15 GPT sites. So the first one right here is grab points. As you can see right here, free gift cards. So you can earn money here by watching with the absence of completing offers. All you need to do to join is to put your email address, password, confirm your password, and click on this sign up. And you can also sign up with your Google account or Facebook account. So right here, if you come down right here, you can see watch videos, taking survey, completing offer, downloading apps, and more. So that's how you're gonna be making money with this website. Right here you can see you can redeem your money. You earn free gift card or paper cash. The second one right here is remote task. As you can see right here, earn in years doing online task from home. So in this website you can earn money by doing task. To get started, all you need to do is just to click on this start earning today. So if you click on this start earning today, it will actually carry and go where you sign up. Another GPT site right here is my point. As you can see right here, earn $10 Amazon card with your first purchase. So you can earn money in this site by shopping online. So to get started, all you need to do is put your name, email address, password, confirm your password. So once you sign up with your first purchase, you can be earning $10 bonus. So if you come down right here, you can see that you can also watch videos, take surveys, play games, read emails. So to get started, all you need to do is just click on this enjoy my point today. And this is available for people that's in US. The number 4 GPT site right here is Ebon. If you come down right here, you can see what you can do on Ebon. Paid surveys, answer online survey that matches your profile and get paid. So cashback, get back some money from your purchase online. So if you come down right here, you read more about Ebon, how you can earn on Ebon. So as you can see right here, usually you can you can get around $1 for every 10 minutes survey, but you can be higher. So as you can see right here, so to get started, all you need to do is just click on this join now. Another GPT site right here is future points. As you can see right here, get rewarded, earn reward on your phone or the web with survey, cashback, and more. So you can make money by entering survey and other bunch of work. So you can also get the app on Google Play. So to get started, all you need to do is just to click on this sign up right here. If you click on this site, to actually carry and go where you sign up and fill out that information. So you can get the app if you are using you can get it in App Store, you can get it in Google. The number 6 GPT site right here is Brother Surveys. As you can see right here, get paid for your opinion with Brother Surveys. So in this website, can be getting paid by just doing surveys. So as you can see how the page look inside. So to get started, all you need to do is just click on this sign up, and you can also create an account with your Facebook account. The number 7 GPT site right here is Kumi. As you can see right here, share your opinion and shop to earn real cash reward. Earn cash, not swag or point. So right here you can earn money by completing survey and other bunch of work. So you can see right here, earn cash by completing survey anytime, anywhere. So to get started, all you need to do is just to come down right here and put your email address, put your password right here, and click right here that they say allow me to send me email regarding competition, new features, reminders, and other promotional marketing messages. Then click on this sign up. So if you come down right here, you can see if you answer surveys, you'll be earning points right here. You cannot be getting cash back when you purchase online. Another GPT site right here is Price Rebel. So in this site, you can be making money by answering surveys. So to get started, all you need to do is just to put your first name, your last name, enter your email address, choose your password, and click on this start making money. So you can also sign up with your Facebook account, and you can redeem your cash with paper. So if you come down right here, you can see. If you come down right here, you can see. Sign up for a 100% free account. Import by calculating short opinion survey, or easy offers. Redeem points for paper cash, or choose from hundreds of gift cards. So another GPT site right here to make money online is EDB Impact. If you come down right here, you can see you can earn points by taking offers, taking tasks, watching videos, playing mobile games, testing software, inviting friends. So to get started, all you need to do is just to click on this start earning. Another GPT site right here to make money online is Reward One. As you can see right here, do survey get paid. And from trying new product, playing mobile games, and watching videos. So that's what you can do to make money with this site. So as you can see, they say that they have been around 2007. So to get started, all you need to do is just put your email address, user and password, and click on this read and accept terms and services and private policies. So I click on this joiner. So I see right here. So you can redeem your money, paper, Amazon, Bitcoin. Another GPT site right here to make money online is treasuretrooper.com. As you can see right here, you will get $1 free for just joining. So just right here, just put your email address, put your first name, click on this register. As you can see right here, our members have earned over $7 million plus. So as you can see right here, you can do multiple things. Take its daily cash surveys available for every day, worth up to once. Another GPT site right here to make money online is free cash. As you can see right here, earn $1 for every 5 to 10 minutes. Complete tasks like testing apps and playing games for up to $1,000. So if you just check right here, you can see okay, you can cash out instantly in crypto, paper, gift cards, and more starting. So if I just you can see right here, receive a free case as a sign-up bonus and win up to $250. So to get it, all you need to do is just to click on this sign up right here, but you need to get the app first. So when you download the app in Google Play Store, so you can open it out, click on this sign up. Another GPT site right here to make money online is my soul boss. As you can see right here, my soul boss, we ask, you earn. So right here, you can earn right here. If you come down right here, where they say how it was, I say sign up today to get access to our community panel, give your opinion on server and earn points, redeem your points for gift cards. So you can earn money in this app by just answering surveys. So to get started, all you need to do just to click on this joiner, and you can also sign up with your Facebook account by clicking on this login with Facebook. Another GPT site right here to make money online is Gift Hunter Club. As you can see right here, but so you can see right here, you can be earning endpoints with survey contest, adverts, and even with friends. You will get points. So you can earn points by answering survey contests, adverts, and also by referring friends. So right here, all you need to do is just put your email address and click on this sign up, and you can even get the app on Google Play Store. The 15 GPT site, which is the last one on my list here is online panel. So consider I join survey worldwide. So you can earn $4 per survey. So you can cash out from $10 and it's worldwide. And you can earn money by doing tasks and other bunch of work. So to get started, all you need to do is just to click on this sign up for free. So if you click on this sign up for free, it should actually bring you right here. So all you need to do is just to put your username right here. Your username can be your name. So let me just put your email address right here. So right here, choose a password right here. So this one right here is weak. This one right here is weak. Info hash right here. Okay, right here. So to confirm the password right here. Put hash right here. Right here. So let me put right here. I am so right here. I need to select right here. Right here, I need to put my day. Let me select 18th right here. Right here, let me just select September right here. Right here, let me just select 1995 right here. So right here, let me just select coach. Okay, let me just select US right here. I agree right here. I accept right here that I'm not a robot. I try again right here. So I'm actually giving a value in this video. All you need to do for me is just to subscribe to my channel and turn on notification. So the next thing right here is just to click on this complete sign up. So it's starting up right here. So as you can see right here, you have successfully created your account. To begin using this site, you need to activate your account, your email. So right here, all you need to do is just to go to your mailbox and activate your email account. So if I actually give you a value in this video, all you need to do for me is just to smash that subscribe button and turn on notification. So the next time I drop a video, YouTube actually give a notification that I've actually dropped a video. So you can see right here, I've opened up this one right here. So if I activate my account, I'll just come back right here and log in. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification for more.